double backflip. Anyway,
we are at our first stop. Lawa is going to do a double backflip inside the ocean.
Not me. Not me.
hang on, say hi.
There you go. Yes.
That's it, Abdul. Yeah.
So, there's no video proof, but I paddled in the Pacific Ocean today. I want everybody to know that there's no video proof, but I did do it. Then Abdul over here, he jumped off.
You know them ways. You know them ways.
Into that. So, shout out to Abdul.
Wait.
And Lawal.
His life was in my hand. Like, he's not a good paddler.
Anyways, we both paddled in the Pacific Ocean together.
I follow paddle you.
But yeah, so now we're having some guac and chips, and we're going to the next destination and listening to some good music, and we'll talk to y'all later. Okay, alligator? Bye. We're about to go on to the Yelapa beach. You're so serious.
Oh no, I was actually thinking.
Yeah,
La Playa Yelapa.
and so we're waiting for a while. I think that I paddled in the Pacific Ocean today, just in case I didn't say it before. I'll say it again. I paddled in these waters. Okay, our boat is here. We have to be hands free, so talk to you guys on the side.
Hey guys, time to go to the Yelapa waterfall. My friends, so if you are in the water, time is over. Time to come back. The rice and chips are very good. We're waiting for you guys on the boat. Si, señor, muchas gracias por your attention. There you go.
I was showing the video for once.
Okay.
Alright guys, so
what? How you drive?
alright guys, so I need attention please. We're gonna get up in the beach.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna stay there around 1 hour, 45 minutes. Depend when the people come with the waterfall, okay?
Okay.
So you see that restaurant with the yellow and green umbrellas in the middle with the yellow and the green and the red one and the blue one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the part of the boat service, okay guys? You have free bangles, free chairs, free lunches, free Wi-Fi, free showers. You don't pay nothing for use installation, okay? Only if you want to drinks or eat, you need to pay, okay?
Yeah.
I need all the group together, guys, because I don't want to lose the people, okay?
Yeah.
I want to be over there on the beach.
That guy we're gonna be with you, okay, guys?
We leave, I want to scream very loud. Hey, chica loca, it's time to walk to the beach, okay? The tender boys want to be waiting for us, okay? So, don't go anywhere, please.
Just stay here.
Where the yellow umbrellas are, please,
Yellow
okay?
and green ones, okay, guys? This is the part of the boat service.
Yellow and green?
Yes, right over here in the middle.
Here. Oh, this one
First,
here.
we're gonna get up the boat, and second one, we're
Verde.
gonna get on you.
But I don't like anything conjuring me is going to come around me.
Okay, guys, as soon as we do the beach, we'll show you how is the way to get out, okay? The easy way, okay, everybody?
I think we have to understand that life is a game that we have to play. Alright, you win some, you lose some, or you just there. Alright, so you have to play to make.
Hey, so we just got off from the Yelapa beach. And we're headed back to our cruise. Our cruise is our yacht. Sorry, it's called
Our Megayacht.
Our Megayacht. Sorry, it's called the Limousine of the Sea. So we're gonna. I took a nap on the beach personally. We didn't do any beach videos, but yeah, we took a nap on the beach. And that's our yacht right now. And then so we will be headed to, I'm not really sure, but the trip is still going. We're still having fun, and then we'll see you guys. Any thoughts?
Nah, lovely so far. Muy lindo.
Okay, so beautiful, so beautiful. Let me show you. Where the jungle meets the sea for real. And then yeah, we're here, and yeah, we'll talk to you guys later.
Waiting you want, waiting you need. You're there right here, you're there with me. All the love it they search for, break back and track for. Now me hold them more, now me you need so.
Fan down. If I say you say I love you, know they for me and down. Oh yeah, no. Whoa. Yeah, give me a So we are coming to the end of our trip. This is Caroline. But I know we're always strong. The cruise is ending, and then we're going. It was in the wind. You guys have fun. Spring became So we just got back from the cruise, the Megayacht, the Yacht Yelapa, and we're heading back to our hotel room now. I played this video before, but I did not press record. So as you can see, I'm very tired. Lawal is the most tired, I would say.
Lawal is the most tired, bro.
Maybe he's not. Abdul got a tan.
Yeah, we'll do a 10-run show later.
And then so we're just gonna go back to the hotel, rest.
Can't say what hotel? Oh, you want key card? I'm not going to later.
But yeah, we'll see you guys later. Oh, me and might go out, and if we do, we'll let you know.
10-1 check.
That's in adios from Javier, Rogelio, and Alejandro. Bye, guys.
We'll be running through the night. Fast cars, green lights, bangers flashing through our eyes. Fireworks, you and I. Royalty, you are my pride. Nala, Simba, be the hand that you can hold.
Come on!
sencillo que hacer la tabla del uno y a la hora del desayuno. Ya sabía que te amaba a las semanas de iniciar con la aventura. Se nos hizo ni la luna y un concierto para Tijuana.
So we're currently on the public bus. We wanted to walk here, but yeah, we saw the bus and decided to take it. The driver says we're gonna get to our location, so we'll see.
Fingers crossed. This is the end of the sorry, this is the end of the walk now.
The end of day 3.
Yeah. Abdul is missing. Lawal is missing because he's
On a mission?
on a mission.
One could say.
None of your business. Yeah, so we're wrapping for the day. So it was fun. We went on the cruise, we did some dancing, and tomorrow is the first weekday, or not the first weekday, but the first full weekday that we will have here. So we're looking forward to see what it's going to be like. We're going to go hiking and try and do some shopping. So till tomorrow, we'll see you guys at breakfast. Good night.
Words that I know, but this time's got to be different. This time something is different. Here I go hallucinating, seeing you wherever I go.
New day, wake up. It's time for breakfast. I'm heading to breakfast by myself just because everybody else is just waking up. Last night was was long yesterday, but I'm up and bright and early. Gonna grab some breakfast, and then today's a fun day. It's a bit chiller than the other days, I guess. But yeah, let's get it. We're going on a hike. Where are we hiking to?
El Mirador de la Cruz.
One more time.
El Mirador
Okay.
de la Cruz.
Oh, and today's Abdul's birthday, so happy birthday to Abdul. Yeah. So how are we getting there? Like, where are we walking to precisely?
Yeah, we're gonna walk downtown. We're gonna walk downtown. Then once we get to Our Lady Guadalupe Church, we'll figure it out.
Alright.
I honestly don't know exactly where we're going, but that's the idea. Like we're gonna walk and figure it out. I have a general idea right now.
Nice. And on today's trip, we have Peter with us. Yeah, our little vlog. Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So yeah, we'll see you guys shortly. Bye. Hopefully we can find a solution for it. Oh yeah, the beaches. Beaches. So our hike has officially begun. We're going up some wall. Our guide is on the phone. So I'll be saying that why we are useless. Yeah, we're useless. Well, our hike has begun. We are going up this. Something in Spanish that I don't know. And yeah, we're going to be doing lots of things. And then yeah, we'll see you up there. Uncle Abdul, sorry. What's the name of this place?
I don't know where we are right now. I'll be honest.
Okay, never mind. But the hike has begun, Sha.
But I'm figuring it out.
Okay, cool. So, we'll keep you guys posted. We go this way, I believe. Or we can do this way. We're going up the mountain. Man, this is a workout. Really and truly. Whew.